Hello Unocoiner, welcome to Unocoin, crypto का super app. In this video, we will see what NFTs and Ethereum brings for us. NFTs and Ethereum. NFTs are powered by smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain that prove your ownership. It means you put your digital signature on the Ethereum blockchain, which makes it nearly impossible to hack, and that you own complete copyright of your NFT. Through the Ethereum network, you can trade your NFT peer-to-peer, where you don't have to risk your trust on some third-party platform. You can buy Ethereum through Unocoin. Watch this video for more information. Having your NFT on the Ethereum blockchain proves your ownership. Other blockchain ecosystems like ADA or Cardano also power NFTs. Let us see what makes NFTs so valuable in our next video. I hope this video was informative to you. For more educational videos, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Love crypto coins, love Unocoin. Thanks for watching.